welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we were discussing regarding the cancer and the HeLa cells. Now we will see the properties of cancer cells. So before moving forward, we will see an image that is the invasion of normal tissue by growing tumor. So here we have here the light micrograph of a section of human liver. So this is the section of the human liver. It shows the metastasized melanosarcoma in here in the red color. So it is invading the normal liver tissue. Now we will see the first property of the cancer cells, that is regarding the immortalization. So we know that the cancer cells, they show the immortalization, that is they are immortal. Now we know that the cells that are normal cells, they have actually a limited capacity to grow and divide, both in vitro as well as in vivo. So these normal cells, even if they are provided with optimal growth conditions, so they will cease dividing after a certain number of generations, and then their senescence will occur and they die. However, in case of the cancer cells, what cancer cells do, they basically avoid the replicative cell senescence. So they will avoid here the replicative cell senescence. So how they avoid this replicative cell senescence? They avoid it by the two steps. First is that they will maintain the activity of telomerase. So they will maintain the activity of the telomerase. As we know that this telomerase, this is actually the RNA dependent DNA polymerase. And the second step is that they can evolve an alternate mechanism based on the homologous recombination, that is called as the ALT, for elongating their chromosome ends. Now here we know that, for example, here we have the cells. So these are actually the cells. So they will show the normal cell division, and under the normal apoptosis the homeostasis will happen. Then we have here the increased cell division and normal apoptosis. So here the tumor happens, and then we have also the normal cell division and the decreased apoptosis. So here also the tumor happens. Thus we can say that here under the normal cell division and the normal apoptosis, the homeostasis happens here. So this is the homeostasis. But when the increased cell division happens and there occurs the normal apoptosis, still the tumor happens. And when the normal cell division happens and also the decreased apoptosis occur, still the tumor happens.